consumerism. Yeah. Now this is the area where we've just been programmed. We just go. Now consumerism is the new religion. It is the biggest religion in the world. Every other philosophy has failed. Consumerism is thriving. The Catholics bow down to it, the Muslims bow down to it, the Pentecostals bow down to it, the Buddhists, everybody is in this religion. The malls are the cathedrals. Yeah, the high priests are the capitalists. And the rest of us do not bow down and swipe our credit cards and give our money and it's M-Pesa. It's easy to pay, PayPal. Easy, pay. We are always paying. Yeah? So it's another place we spend our money on.
So my name is Mushiri Waititu, a financial consultant. And I heard about the TSAVO investment training event through email. I had some times back registered through some email links. And today I was very glad to visit the training. Most helpful. I learned about real estate. I learned much about the benefits of investing in real estate, and more so, I have met a large pool of people at different levels of economic growth, but all of them desiring to rise from one economic level to another economic level. So happy that I notice many Kenyans, regardless of gender, regardless of age, are aspiring to live financially independent lives. And thank you very much, TSAVO. Looking back to meeting you again and learn more each day. Thank you very much.